try this in Filmora 13. Make sure you have all your pictures uploaded. Click track switching and bring down all the clips. Place all 4 of them in one frame. Change aspect ratio to 1:1 of video and pictures both, and place at one corner. Similarly, change aspect ratio of all pictures and place at all 4 corners. If required, adjust their positions. This is how it should look like. Now add music. At the first beat split and replace the main picture to a black pip. Now from the second beat split the second picture. And from the third and fourth beat split the size of other 2 pictures. Export this clip. Upload in a new project. Upload black pip as overlay. Rotate and fix over the screen. Now apply heart mask on the black screen. Rotate and adjust at the center. Apply this image to the whole screen. Go back to mask and click reverse masking. At the beginning, place this you hand emoji. Give it some animation of your liking. Enter few words from the lyrics of song. Give same animation to the text. Then type my girl and place over or under all 4 pictures. Just like this. Apply effects. I applied this swing effect over the entire video and this glory effect at the beginning part only. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on my channel for more tutorials.